our panelists today will give us an overview of their different programs and topics, and then we'll open up the session for Q&A from the audience in the room.
So on behalf of Northrop Grumman, I'd like to welcome everyone to Wallops Island. It's a beautiful morning. So tomorrow's NG-13 launch will mark our 13th resupply mission to the International Space Station.
NG-13 is going to be the 32nd commercial resupply mission in under 8 years to the ISS. In total, the two CRS providers have delivered over 170,000 pounds of scientific experiments, ISS hardware, and crew resupply.
Currently, all systems are go for launch tomorrow. We are set to deliver approximately 7,500 pounds of cargo in the form of supplies and scientific experiments to the ISS.